Hello everyone, in today's video, Hidemaycc will guide you how to spam Facebook messages in large quantities without worrying about your account being locked. Although Facebook does not publicly disclose the number of messages an account can send, to protect your account and avoid having your messaging function locked, you should only send about 20 to 30 messages in an hour and no more than 100 to 150 messages per day. In addition, you should ensure the quality of the messages, do not spam the content and use a newly created account to send messages. If you want to send about 1,000 messages per day, you need to use at least 10 Facebook accounts at the same time. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create a clean environment to raise and run a large number of Facebook accounts at the same time without being suspected by the website or blocked from using the functions. Hidemyacc will create browser profiles with different browser fingerprint parameters such as operating system, browser, screen size, etc. You should add proxy to change IP for these profiles. From base package, you can use Hidemyacc's free proxy. The number of countries and IP pools are still being added. If you want to buy a cheap proxy, you can visit Proxy Store to get a discount code. After setting up the parameters, click Create to create a new profile. Finally, run Profile to use. Go to facebook.com and log into your account. You can buy Via from many different sources. It is best to buy old Via, with interactions and activity history, then it will be more trustworthy. If you buy white Via, you must soak it for about 2 to 3 weeks before sending messages to avoid account lock. After buying Via, you should also reset information such as account name, avatar, cover, bio, display information, etc. to make the account more trustworthy. Next, Hidemyacc will guide you how to filter user information. To send messages, you first need to have a list of users. Each campaign will have different audiences, so you need to filter a quality list of users first. First, install the Instant Data Scraper extension. This extension will extract data from the web page and export it as an Excel or CSV file. Which topic do you work on? Search for groups related to that topic. Open the members page and run the extension to scrape data. Don't forget to set the delay time between each crawl to limit Facebook's suspicions. There will be information fields such as account URL, Facebook name, address, position in the group. But you only need to care about the URL with the Facebook account name. Next, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to send bulk Facebook messages using the ReachOwl extension. This extension offers a 14-day free trial and can be used on both Facebook and Instagram. This is a tool you can use after logging into your account. With this tool, you can create multiple campaigns or schedule posts on Facebook. Hidemyacc will show you how to create a campaign here. Click on the campaign section and select Create your first campaign. Please note, the free account allows you to create only one campaign. You can test it out, and if it works well, you can upgrade to a paid plan. There are 4 steps to creating a campaign. First, select your target group. You can choose group members, people who have interacted with your posts or videos, or friends of friends. If you choose group members, you'll need to search for the desired group. If you choose people who interacted with your post, you'll need to enter the URL of the post here. You can also upload a previously saved CSV data file. After uploading the file, select Next to choose your desired interaction type. There are 3 types: sending messages, sending friend requests, and interacting with posts. Select Send Message to continue. Next, set up the content and the number of messages to be sent to these users. Start by naming your campaign, then, select the team members to join the campaign. In case you have connected multiple Facebook accounts, set the number of messages to be sent per day. There are 50 messages to ensure your account operates effectively. If your data is from different countries, you can filter by the desired location. You can also filter by gender if necessary. You can choose not to send messages to accounts with whom you've previously had a conversation. Then, click Next to continue. To avoid spamming, it's recommended that each message you send be spaced about 2 to 3 minutes apart, or even 5 to 10 minutes, and the content of the messages should not be identical across multiple accounts. Therefore, you should create multiple message templates for the system to randomize. And you can attach URLs for image, MP3, MP4 files, etc., if needed. You can also have follow-up messages if a contact hasn't replied after a certain period of time. Finally, click Save to save the content and start running the campaign. You can monitor campaign information directly on the dashboard, including the number of profiles uploaded, the number of messages sent, the number of replies, and more. In case you need to raise VIA before running the campaign, you can use Hidemyacc's automation feature. In the system scenario, you search for the keyword Facebook to find available scenarios, or create an auto-raising scenario by dragging and dropping available commands here. If you already have a self-coded script, you can also import it here. Above, Hidemyacc has just introduced to you how to send Facebook messages completely with login accounts on Hidemyacc profile. Hidemyacc will leave links to the applications used in the description for your reference. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you have any questions, please contact our support team via live chat. See you in the next video.